The hospital bill that changed my client's life plan. Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband, and proud tatay. And today, I'll share a real story na nagpamatuod o sa kabilang makausab sa kinabuhi. My client was doing well, stable income, family man, nagplano og balay. Then one day, na-admit siya sa hospital. The bill? Hundreds of thousands. Everything they save for balay, negosyo, family plans, na divert dadto sa bayad. Lisod kaayo kay wala sila health coverage at the time. Nausab ang ilang priorities, na-delay ang dreams. Mauni ang tinuod. Emergency doesn't ask permission. Hospital bills don't wait for your timing. And one wrong bill can reset your entire life plan. The good news, pwede malikayan. With the right protection, ang plano sa pamilya dili mo undang tungod sa usa ka bill. Don't wait for that one hospital bill to change your life plan. Prepare now so your dreams continue no matter what. Message me today. Let's secure your health and your future. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people, empowering the future one family at a time.